wave-particle duality in light. We also see that emerge in musical octaves. In musical octaves, there's a sort of there's a paradoxical phenomenon that occurs with a musical octave, because an A chord, or C chord, or D chord consists of, let's say hypothetically, an A chord or a C chord, hypothetically, let's say, or the way in which they articulate themselves. Because the phonological features, it's almost as if through social nurturing and cultural conditioning, the phonological features of language become sort of integrated into human communication as part of the nurturing and conditioning. Because when manic becomes disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also
and the shampoo wood coming out of it, is the shampoo or toothpaste, is it's thick. It has more